Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bath and a half bath, an awesome pool, 3-car garage, and wait until you see the detail inside. It's amazing. Remember, if you would like to know the price, feel free to scan the barcode. Last week I had issues with the barcode, but hopefully this week everything will be fine. So also on the description below, you will have a link that will give you also the status and the price of this home. Okay, let's go ahead and let's take a look at it. As you come in, you're welcome with this really fancy light. Look at the sides. The detail in this home, it's amazing. You have nice, looks like marbleized tiles. I think they're 2x4. Very nice also. Okay, check out the living room. Another nice thing about this video is that the house is furnished. So it's a model home, so you'll be able to really admire more than just an empty home. Here you got your kitchen. And then back there you have your dining room. We'll take a closer look, but first let me stop at the den. So you can see very similar to the other home, but it's not, it has a little different layout. One more thing, let me interrupt the video here. I forgot to show you the garage. Check this garage out. Check this out. Beautiful floor, and check out the lights. This is a very cool garage. So I almost missed it. That's why I had to interrupt the video. So check out the nice water heater over there. So I hope you like this garage. Tell me what you think about it. Okay. So let's continue with the video. Okay, let's check out this beautiful den here. Forgot, let me move back and show you the nice entrance with a glass door. Barn door glass. I mean, this is nice. And then in here you have this is your den. Nice windows, a lot of brightness. So you have over the window up there. You have the new vents, linear vents, high ceiling. Now let's take a closer look at the living room here. Check out the detail. Very spacious. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Very European cabinets. They're just really fancy. And I like the two-tone. See, you have this color here, and then you have this one over here. And inside, nice. Here's your oven. Your microwave. Here's a stove. Check out the island. Let's check out this. Got one there for the trash can. Oh, actually, this is the trash can and the recycle. So that's cool. Just regular under the sink. And this is, oh wow, this is the dishwasher here. Check it out. Cool. Now you have your stainless steel sink, a nice fancy faucet, and also check out the chandelier hanging from above. Let me see if I find the switch to it. That looks really nice. Let's see if I can find the switch to it. This is one of these. No. Oh, actually the back lights up too. There we go. So you have lights coming out of the back of the cabinets on the top. You got the LEDs on the top, and then you have this beautiful chandeliers, I mean. And also it lights up the bottom of the cabinets too. So has a lot of upgrades here. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the dining room. Very spacious, nothing that, you know, it's not a tiny dining room. Check out a table that sits 8, and you still got a lot of space around. It has a beautiful window. I mean, the other home had that window too. I love that style of just an open glass window. Brings a lot of brightness inside. And check out the nice chandelier also. Remember, if you would like to know the price, you could scan the barcode or go in the description below. Over here you have like a wine cellar, all made out of glass, and he has his own AC duct for it. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at room number 1 over here. Stand over here in the corner so you visualize the size. Nice size. You got your nice fan, your return for your AC, and straight vent here. Those vents are really nice. They're starting to put it now in most of the homes, in most of the high-end homes, those linear vents. Okay, now let's take a look at the closet. The closet is just beautiful. I like that it has all these drawers. Got space here to hang the clothing over here, up here, and a lot of space on the top so you can put more stuff up there. And actually it's very different here because the door opens in. So that way you don't have a problem with space out here if you open the door out. That was a pretty good catch from the builder. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at let's go ahead over here and take a look at this closet here. Wow, it's just not a closet with shelves. Okay, now let's keep continuing. Let's take a look at the guest bathroom. Check this out. I love this cabinets. They're very fancy here. Look at the water faucet. And here's the shower. And you have a rain pan coming from above. So you have the rain pan, you have the shower over here, and you got your handheld shower here. And check out the controls here on the other side. Like I said at the beginning, this house is amazing. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 2. You have a nice fan. Check out the closet. Let me move around so you can visualize the size of the room. And check out the closet with the barn doors. Nice. Tell me what you think of so far about this home. When till you see the master bathroom? The master bathroom is to die for. Okay, and then the pool area. I'm telling you, this house is nice. Check out this room here. Also has a bathroom here. Same style as the other bathroom. The only thing, the controls are here on the side, and it has a shelf over here. And you still have your rain shower there, and you got your shower and your handheld shower there. So, and check out the fancy toilet. Well, okay, let's go ahead. Let's keep going. Take one more shot of this nice cellar here. Check out this kitchen again. You also have these sliders that lead out to the lanai area. And you have your outdoor kitchens and the pool. We'll get to that later. Now let's continue with the master bedroom. Check out the entrance from this angle. It's really nice. Check out the house from this angle. Okay, now we're in the master bedroom. I really like the decorations they did to this model home. Remember, this model home, it's for sale. I don't know if the furniture is included. I don't think the furniture is included, but this is just for show. But as you can see, this shows very well. I forgot to give you the angle of the fan up here in the ceiling. Now, the nice thing is that sliders that lead to the pool, you have a beautiful view of the pool right here from your bed. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the closets. Closet number one, as you can see, a space up there to put more stuff. You got plenty of drawers. Shelves. Let's go to closet number two. I think it's exactly the same. And they're big closets. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tub here. Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? You got the chandelier coming down. So over here you got your vanity. The same kind of faucets you found all throughout the house in the bathrooms. I like that the backsplash is all tiled. Here's the other one. One thing that caught my attention when I came to the bathroom for the first time was this door. And I said, oh, what, they have a toilet closet here? Nope, when you open it up, it has a very nice towel closet inside. Actually, the toilet closet is on this side. It's right in here. And the nice thing, it has a window. A lot of people like to have a window. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the showers. So, what do we have here? We have a nice rain shower head there. You got your other shower head there, and same as the other bathroom, same controls. Check out the nice tile, and look at the floor. And it also has this shelves in here. Very nice house. Oh, oops, it's so clean, I almost hit the wall. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go outside and take a look at the pool. And the pool also has a bath. Let me close this door here. Take another look at the master bedroom. Remember, if you would like to see more videos like this, I tend to put videos every week. They're trying to make them all out of 4K, so if you enjoy the quality of the video, I'm trying to get better at filming it. But as I'm going along and showing properties, showing the homes, it's very difficult for the lighting to be perfect, but I tried my best. I hope I get better. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go out and take a look at the beautiful pool area on Lanai. Let me adjust my lens here. Let's go. One thing I can tell you is very spacious. I don't know if the camera video is doing justice, but it's very spacious. Check out the detail on the ceiling. You got your 2 fans, those plank boards on the top, have LED lights also. But also check out the space. It's very, very spacious. You have your hookup there for a TV in the wall. An outlet down here also. You got your outlet and TV, antenna hooked up there. And check out this kitchen. You have your wine refrigerator there and your KitchenAid barbecue. Look at the thickness here. Okay, let's take another look from another angle. And now let's just go ahead and walk around the pool area. It has like a little beach here with your steps that lead into the water. I'll show you the side of the home. As you can see, it's very high. You got a 6-foot fence, vinyl fence all the way around. Some nice, I think they're coconut trees to make it look more tropical. You got the nice tile roof. I like those of the landscape. That door that leads you to the half a bath, and it's very nice half a bath. I'll show you, but first let me continue showing you the outside. Check out all the space you have out here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, if you're up north and being cold up there, right now it's 65 degrees here with a beautiful sky. Check out this view. This is what Florida is all about. Okay, let's go ahead over here and show you the other side. Here's your swimming pool pump. Back there you got your AC system. Everything has pavers all the way out to the main door over there. Well, I just want to let you know, if you're new to the channel, my wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. If you're looking for a home here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, anywhere in Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us. Also like to let you guys know that if you're looking at this home or any other home and you have questions, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you. Also, if you have any ideas of any style or type of home you want me to do videos on, feel free to write it on the comments or send us a text. Our phone number is 239-410-7372. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video of this amazing home. Please comment below and tell me what you thought about it. And right now, if you would like to see more videos of my channel that are current, that I have done in the last couple of weeks, feel free to click here in this link here in this video here, and you have continuously all my latest videos. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.